are you today? Yes, welcome back to our English lesson. And are you ready to study English? Teacher hope everyone ready and be prepared. Be happy to study English, alright? Okay, today teacher come back and would like to teach you all about phonics. Again, phonics. So I want you to remember phonics is about the sound. That means today we learn about sounds. Alright? Okay, there are 3 sounds that teacher would like to introduce you all today. And these sounds are the same, not different. These 3 sounds are the same sound, right? So that means we call this sound is sound This one also sound alright? And this one also sound So today we learn about the family sound Okay? So next time if you see ER, that means it sound I also sound You are also sound alright? Okay, now teacher would like to give you example why this sound we call sound alright? Okay, let's see example like the word okay, this one, can you read this sound, this word? Okay, this word we read water, right? Water, right? So water, right? So this one is a sound, right? Water, alright? And this one we read her, right? Her, her. So her, right? And the other one, everyone, can you read this word? Okay, this one we read teacher, right? Teacher, alright? So teacher, her, water. So every time it's alright? And how about this word? We read sister, right? Sister. Now again. So that's why ER we call a sound. Sister, alright? And the last one is okay, everyone. This word we read what? Flower, right? Flower. Flower. Okay, now again. So that's why we call this sound is sound because all the words that have ER we read like water, her, teacher, sister, and flower, right? All sound. Okay, now go to IR. How we read IR in the words? How we read IR in a sound? Everyone, can you give me example? Okay, I hope you are can. But let's see. Okay, this word we read what? If this one is sound bird, bird. You see bird. That's why this sound is sound bird. Alright? And this one? Okay, it's easy, right? If you know this sound. If it is a sound, now we spell all together. The again. The t, dirt. The dirt. Alright? So now and again. Okay. So if you remember this letter, 2 letter IR is a sound. When you see the word, you can read the word automatic, right? So I hope you can read letter, right? Like bird and dirt. Okay. sound, you can read the word. It's very easy, right? Shirt. Alright, very good. And one more. Okay. Can you read? SK, 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 sk. And this one is sk, skirt, skirt. Again, sk, skirt, skirt. Alright, easy, right? And this one? Alright, can you read? Now, sound again. Circle, circle. Alright, now I hope you're happy with all this word if you know all this sound, right? So don't forget, if you see IR, that means it's a sound. Like all this word, bird, dirt, skirt, shirt, skirt, and circle. Alright? Okay, let's see example with this word. This letter, U and R. It's a sound, also a sound. Okay, let's see the word all together. Okay, now can you read? Now, if you know this two letter is a sound, how can you read this word? Let's spell all together with teacher. Turn, turn, right? Easy. Turn, turn. All right? That's right. Okay, very good. Let's see other words. Okay, now can you read? If you see the word. Okay, now let's start all together. B, b, burn, burn. Burn, burn. Right? Turn, burn. Alright, easy, right? And the other word is alright. Can you read this word? Okay, now with a sound again. So every word that have UR, IR, and ER always read a sound, right? Like this word, picture, picture, right? Again, picture, picture, right? A sound again. Okay, and the other one is easy. I know you see the word you can read already, right? Okay, now with a sound again. Now spell all together. Hurt, 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 hurt. Right? Easy, right? And the last one. Okay, this one is quite long, but it's okay. If you see this sound, you know already, you can read. Even it's long, but I know you can read. Right? Right? Okay, now. Surprise. Surprise. Right? Surprise. Like surprise, you surprise, right? So it's a sound already, right? Okay. Now I would like you all to read with teacher again. Water, her, teacher, sister, flower, bird, dirt, shirt, skirt, circle, turn, burn, picture, hurt, surprise. Alright. I hope everyone you will remember these three Okay, now let's see the homework all together. Okay, here is your homework. Okay, homework, that means, you see, this one teacher want you all to read to me. Read to me. I want you to copy, that means you write all these words in your book. Copy these words in your book. Then I want you to read all these words to me. Read these words to me, right? So, thank you everyone. I hope you do homework all together, and I am waiting to hear you all read all these words to me. Thank you. Goodbye.